Sodium fluoroscine. It is a pretty interesting molecule with a vast number of uses. It is specially used in diagnostics in biology. But I am honest, I am making it just to play. To make it, I am using two things. The two things are phthalic anhydride and resorcinol. To make this, I have set an round bottom flask and a heating mantle. In the round bottom flask, I will add 2 grams of phthalic anhydride and the heating mantle is set at 190 degrees Celsius. And I will now add 3 grams of resorcinol. After adding the resorcinol, I will add few drops of concentrated H2SO4 as a catalyst. You can see the fluoroscene has formed and it has melted at the bottom of the round bottom flask. The heating is done for 20 minutes and it is about to cool. It thickens up slowly and solidifies on the glass rod. You can see here. After it is cool, I am scraping the fluoroscene off from the round bottom flask using a glass rod. After I have scraped the fluoroscene, the crude product, I will add water into it to dissolve the excess resorcinol and sulfuric acid. After violently shaking it for some time, I will filter the fluoroscene as it is not soluble in water. I will filter it using a vacuum filter. You can see how beautiful the fluoroscene looks from the top. After I have filtered it, I will let it to dry. After drying, I will add the fluoroscene into a beaker. It has nearly 4.5 gram of water, so the yield is nearly 83%. I have washed the filter paper with some NaOH and it has turned into sodium salt. For that, the beaker has turned black. And now to make the fluoroscene dissolve into the water, I have to convert the whole thing into sodium fluoroscine. To make it, I am making a concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide. I have taken an arbitrary amount of sodium hydroxide into which I will add water. I will shake it violently for some time. Then I will mix it, add 2 drops of sodium hydroxide and some water. I will continue this until the whole thing dissolves as sodium fluoroscine is formed. Now to store this thing, I have taken a reagent bottle in which now I will slowly pour down the sodium fluoroscine solution. It is though pretty concentrated. For the demonstration of the fluoroscene, I have set an Elmer flask below which there is a UV light. Now I will add the fluoroscene dropwise into the Elmer flask. I have now turned on the UV light, you can see, and the lights will turn off after some time. The lights have turned off and I will add the fluorescent dropwise. Whoa, you can see how beautiful it is. It is coming slowly. It looks so beautiful like this. If you want more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel.